today I have this piece from olive root, but the difference of this one is that it was not inside the earth but outside, because you know olive trees are very old and the soil from the rain goes away and the roots coming out, and this is a root that is the main difference about the two kind of the inside of earth and outside of earth is the color. This one is white inside, the normal root of olive trees are really dark and black. So let's play with this. The first thing that we need is to understand how we can put this on the lathe, because these pieces are eaten by ants, so it will be a bit dangerous to work with that. And because this part is eaten, probably this will be the upper part, and here the down part that I put the chalk tenon to catch the lathe. Let's see how we can do something with the face plate. I have an 8mm chuck, but I can't use it at the moment. Then I get the bigger one, but I have some spots that I can catch the wood. So let's find some screws. 2 videos before that I used the face plate, I put some screws in that break, so I decided to get some thicker. Before the job starting, we need to have a coffee with us. The best company into the workshop. From the first minutes of work, Olive showed me that will be a really hard wood. I try to find some not rotten wood, so I can put the tailstock and be more secure to work in this bow. I'm not really sure about the design, because from the one hand I like to be very thin and fine, but from the other hand, if I make it thin, I lose all those natural edge parts. So maybe I just take slowly some material off until it's very thin, those parts, and then I hollow it all down. Now I need a base for this, so I have this piece of olive root that I have sanded from the one side a couple of years before, maybe 5, maybe 6, I don't remember well, because I like to hang it on my wall. It's a nice piece, but for now I would use it as a base, and I put the little winged ball in the middle. But because this is not made to stay like this, I need first to make a foot to put it here. So let's make the foot and then let's put it all together. Harder part is that we need to glue it here. For this reason I use some polyurethane glue. here it is. I hope you like this one. It was a crazy idea that comes to my mind, and I like to tell the viewer that a piece like this, from olive root, coming from a piece like that of olive root, that is like a history. I really enjoy the making. I need to put a little leg behind here just to have a straight piece of wood, and then I find the perfect angle for the bowl when they stay on the table. I hope you find interesting this technique, and if you like it, please share and subscribe, and we speak again in 2 Sundays. Until that, take care.